Hi, it's Frank with Connecticut Gutter, and we're running a little experiment today on a late September afternoon. We're preparing for the fall when a lot of our clients are interested in gutter covers. Today, what we're showing and demonstrating is the Microguard cover by Englert that we stand behind and use on almost every job we install versus an undisclosed competitor of lesser quality. So what we've done is set up one piece next to another on this length of gutter. The gutter's about 10 feet long. The roof pitch is about a 4 slope, and we have saturated the roof, and we're going to demonstrate how the gutters handle the water coming off of the roof. What you'll see, and we were amazed by it, the Microguard swallows all the water coming off the roof. The unnamed competitor has a very unique scenario where all of the roof granules that are being shed off the roof are clogging the holes in the cover. And it's not even that they're jammed and clogged, they're almost floating and suspended, almost like a magnetic cling inside the holes on the cover. Because of that, what we are seeing is a few millimeters deep of water that is staying on the surface of the cover, not draining, not going through the holes. It's literally piling up on top of the cover, deep enough where the water starts to shed off the edge of the gutter and drip. We were completely blown away by it. We know Microguard is superior to everything else. We wanted to demonstrate it today on this beautiful day. Take a look at the video that we're going to show you next.